Make sure you're nowhere near eating lunch before you watch this. Officials in suburban Detroit discovered something huge and gross in a sewer line. It was a fatberg. Fatbergs are masses of grease, oils, and non-biodegradable waste that doesn't get washed away from the sewer. Fatbergs can build up in the tunnels and pipes and cause a big, solid, stinky mess. This fatberg in Macomb County, Michigan was an astounding 100 feet long and 6 feet tall, more or less the size of a blue whale. In a case of making lemonade from life's lemons, fatbergs have been put to good use. This monster, found in London's sewer system, was turned into biofuel. All the same, public works officials would rather you didn't flush your baby wipes, household grease, and other solids down the drain. The fewer fatbergs, the better. This is InsideEdition.com.